Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 163. If anyone says he does not need the sympathy of his fellows, he is not true to himself or to humanity. For the whole structure of society rests upon sympathy among individuals towards one another. If it were not so, then society as it exists today would be impossible. The strongest of us imperatively requires sympathy. For some time or other, our natures are certain to call for it. And if it is refused, that which is best in us becomes war. History and literature furnish us with many examples of this. An unsympathetic nature is like the biting Arctic winds, but a sympathetic disposition is like the balmy breezes of the south. And the more expansive our sympathies, the more nearly do we approach towards the ideal of a deserved and pure success. Full stop.